BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and I'm going to be doing today for you super easy and super quick. It cooks in less than 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. We're doing keto cheese crackers. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, you need a tin tray and on that a parchment paper. That's 80 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 60 grams of almond flour, that's almond with skin, some fresh herbs. In a mixing bowl, first I'm going to add 60 grams of almond flour, next 80 grams of Parmesan cheese, some pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon oregano. Now you're going to mix this evenly and see that there are no lumps. Now lastly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, and now with my fingers I'm going to bind the mixture. So you bind it into a nice dough. Okay, and now you see our dough is ready. Now you would require 2 thin sheets of parchment paper of the same size. Okay, now I'm going to grease the same with some oil. There you go. Done nicely. I'm going to use the second sheet. I'm going to keep my dough mixture in the center. I'm going to just flatten it with my palm first. Now I'm going to use the second parchment paper what I made ready. I'm going to put it over that. Okay. Now I'm going to evenly make 4 distinct so that you get even crackers. And now it's done. Now we're going to unwrap this and see how nice they have come. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cutter and just slice them. Done. And now we're going to put this into the microwave for 90 seconds. And our keto cheese crackers are ready. So we're going to just break them. So somebody who's a cheese lover, these crackers are perfect for you if you're following a ketogenic diet. These crackers are less than 3 grams of carbohydrates. That means it's going to keep you in your stage of ketosis. They are yummy, not processed, and homemade, and really quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all the videos that I do. Lastly, request you to please like and share the channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you. See you next time.